Just let's say he let me borrow $100. Okay? Yes? And then every month he said, Mr. Doe, just pay me $10. Okay? That's every month, doesn't matter what. Everyone keep paying $10, okay? Again and again and again, okay? Yes? Okay? Or I say, you know what? I loan you, whatever it is, okay? And then you pay me just one time interest. Or over 2 years you pay me $20. That's just one time only, okay? Yes? That's called simple interest. But the compound interest is different, okay? So for example, compound interest is this. Okay? I borrow him $100. Okay? Yes? And then the bank pay me 10% interest. 10%. By now you know 10% of what? Of that guy. You know what? Let's make different number now so we don't confuse. Okay? So after 1 month, how much do we get? Cancel, 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 cancel. How much do we get, guys? 202, right? Yes? Yeah? Let's make it number bigger. So let's see. Let's make bigger number so we can have something. Let's make become 50% then. That's a lot of money. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so let's do 50%. So cancel, cancel. That's so 50%. Okay, so what do we make? 2 times 100 is 50. 200, right? So I make what? $20. Yes. The first scenario, I borrow $200. Okay, right? And I pay him only $10. Right? So basically the total he got is what? $210. All right? And then he take out $10, he keep it. And then he give me back to $200. Okay? And then a month after that, what happened? The same thing. Right? Every month he got $10. Right? Or let's do this. The amount $2, so 10%. So we talk about 50%. Okay, so 50% of $2. So the first month he got what? The first month he got cancel, 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 cancel. He got $100. Right? Plus the $200 in the bank. Or I keep, okay? I go slow. So let's look. The first scenario, every month they pay him $100. Right? And then I still have it. So next month the same thing. 50 over 100 and then the same thing. Okay? And then I pay him another $100. Okay? Month number 1, month number 2, all right? Every month. So every month he got $100. Yes? Yes? But how about this? So the first month, okay, I got $100. So now, after the next month, what do I got now? Because compound, so I still keep it there. So it's $3 now, right? Plus 50% of that. Of $3 now, not 200. So cancel, 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 cancel. It become what? 150 now. So this month, what do we got? 450. So you can see right away, after the first month, I already make more than that right there. Let's keep go on. The third month, he still get $100. He happy with it. But for me, I got 450 now. And then plus 50% of that. Cancel, 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 cancel. All right, 90, 180, 180, 225. So we'll do 225 now. So what do we got now? 675. You see how much different I got now compared to that? You can see the number getting bigger, bigger, bigger. See that? So the compound interest is getting better. Yes? Because you compound it. You keep doing it, make it better. But it's your interest rate, right? Every month doesn't matter what. You say, Mr. Lowe, everyone just give me $10. Right? A year later, I still pay him $10. Right? But if you do compound, it's way, way more. Makes sense? But right now, for this page 89 I do right now, we do simple interest. Okay? And the formula is what, guys? Look at there. What's the formula, guys? What's the formula, guys? What the book say? IPRT, right? Yes? Okay? So we come in and sit down like this. This is what you got. Yes? Okay? So let me ask you guys this. And then they say, hey, I give you 40% discount. So when they say 40% discount, they stop there. But what they mean is a 40% discount of the hat. How much the hat cost? 20 bucks. So 40% of what? 40% of what? Of the hat. This is how much the hat cost, yes? All right, 0 canceled out. 0 canceled out. All right, this become 1 now, and then 4 times 2 is 8. So this whole thing right here, like $8. Okay? 20 minus 8 is $12. So after discount, I only paid 12 bucks. Yes? But I can't go out the door yet. They say, you know what? Well, congratulations, you got a discount. But then you have to pay tax. You pay 10%. So 10%. This is how much I pay after discount. But then I have to plus 10% tax. Here we go again, the same thing. Up what? What number should be here, guys? Huh? No. On that number. Only that number. Only whatever it is. The 20 is already gone. No more 20. I don't want 20 anymore. Yes? Yes? But look, I'm telling you guys this. A love store you go to, I went to Beth and bought it work. They actually, text me on that number. That's wrong. Okay? They miscalculate that. We also talk about this. If you go home right now, I post a couple review. If you go to the barbecue restaurant, the buffet, right? We'll talk about this, okay? We'll discuss that. I get out the bill, right? This is what I pay. Let's say I pay $100 for the buffet for 4 people, for example, okay? Yes? Yes? And they had me 20% tipped. All right? So 20% tip, what does that mean? So there are 36 students. 20% tipped. Of what? How do you calculate 20% tip, guys? What is 36 divided by 4? Of this amount, right? Yes? Come on, guys, 20%. What do you say? Hey, you have to pay 20% tip. Let's stop there. Well, what it means is that you have to pay 20% tipped of the whole meal that you pay to pay, yes? So that means I have to pay, of what? Of that $100. Cancel right there. So how much I pay? So the 20, so the total money I pay is what? $120. I pay $120 after tip, right? Yes? Don't include tax yet. So you pay another 10% tax, right? So let's say I pay another 10% tax, okay? Okay, so that means what? I'll put over here. So I'll put small over here then. 10% tax. Off this amount again. Okay? Let me make 200 so you guys don't confuse 100. Let me make it become 200. Okay? So this one here become 4, so 140. This one here, okay, so let's go slow. This one here is still 200. That's a meal. And this one here is 40 bucks for tip. That's a lot of money, is it? And then this cancel here. I have 20 bucks for the tax. So out the door, I pay what? $260. Is that crazy? My original only $200. After the tip and the tax, I pay extra $60. You guys see that? Now what's wrong with this question? So if this right here, they charge me this. So I want you guys to see this. This is the real question we should be. But at the restaurant, they cheat you. And then I want you next time go to the restaurant, keep the receipt, you will see what I'm saying. They don't do this way, right? This is what they do. I go slow on this. This is what they do. And then you will see it, and you can complain them. Look, you see the tip right here? The tax right here, right? So let's say, I can do 2 ways right here. Okay, the right way and the wrong way, right? I have $200 on the meal, right? Okay, and they pay 10% tax. Okay, and then the same thing here, $200, and they pay 10% tax. All right, two scenario, the same scenario, but 2-way calculated. Okay, let me ask you guys this. They asked me to pay to the tipped. Do you think that should I pay the tipped on the tax as well, or tip only for this amount? Which way is common sense? They say, hey, Mr. You pay tipped. But the tax that I pay for the government, should the government get a tip? See, that's why they cheat. So look, let's go to the normal, okay, let's do the right way. So the right way is this, right? $200, right? Plus 20% tip. That will be $40, right? That's $40. And then 10% tax of this original amount. So it should be what? 20 bucks. So I will pay $260. This is the right way to do it. But now look at the way that we do it. You will see on the receipt. This is what they do. I pay $20, and then plus 10% of what? What number should be here, guys? What number should be here, Alex? 200, right? By now, you guys should know. 10% of this number, okay? So I have 200 right here. All right, how much do I pay, guys? This one here, 20, right? 1, 2, 1, 2. That's 20. So I pay 220. Yes? And they say, hey, Mr. No, you pay 20% tip. So at 20% tip, 20% of what number here, guys? 200 or 220? Of that number, 220 now. See that? Instead of 200. They say, no, they trick me. They wait in the end and say, okay, you know what? They tip now. They probably pay after the tax. So how much is this now, guys? Cancel this. Cancel this. So that's become what? $44. So plus 220. So what's the answer going to be? 264. How much money do we lose, guys? Extra $4 into their pocket. Do you think this $4 they will give to the government? No. Hell no. See, this happens every single time. You do math, you see it. So next time you gotta go to, you know, whatever, the barbecue, what is it, right here? Mango Mania, what is it? The Jan barbecue or Korean barbecue, and then also the one right here too. Tax. Of this one, right? Yes? Yes? So how much is that? That's $2, right? So I pay what? $22. Yes? Right? And they say, hey, hold on. I just remember I have a coupon. So 40% discount. Okay, so here we go. Now I pay $22, but I have 20% discount, 40% discount, right? So minus there. All right, someone tell me, what is this about? 88 divide 10, what is that? 8.8, right? 8 times 2 is 8. 8 times 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. 88. 88 divided 10 is 8.8, right? So 22 minus 8.8. Someone give me a number, guys. What is it? 22 minus 8.8, guys. What do we got? Huh? So what happened here, guys? The amount is the same. Okay?